This tutorial review will show you how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. First of all, open your Facebook and open your profile. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on select profile picture. Scroll down and here you will find these profile pictures sections. So you have to tap on more. Now I'm going to selecting an older profile picture from here and tapping on save. And as you can see, the profile picture has been updated, and here we can see I've successfully reposted my Facebook older profile picture without losing likes. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.